Hey everyone, a couple new diecasts in the collection today. We have a bit of a theme, kind of municipal vehicles. First up, 77 Plymouth Fury from the Dukes of Hazzard. This would have been driven probably by Roscoe P. Coltrane, one of my favorite shows growing up as an 80s kid. I do have the General Lee, so I like to have all the vehicles from the TV show. Now, if you're new to the channel, you might have missed I regularly complain about the manufacturer of this diecast, Greenlight. Quality control is not so great. This one's big flaw is the missing P and kind of like a big paint blemish, because I think this was put away in the box with a plastic wrap that was making contact while the paint was still a little tacky. There you can kind of see it. You know, I could have returned this, but I'm confident that every one they send me will have the same blemish or a worse blemish, so what's the point? You know, retail is $89. I got this for $40. At that price, I'm moderately mad at it, because just if you can buy at Costco or Sam's Club, you know, a 1/18 scale car for $16 that don't have these flaws, what's Greenlight's excuse? But here we are. No one else makes it. It's semi-opening diecast. The door's open. So there's that. Again, $40. At $90, I just expect way better than this. But it'll display well with my General Lee, so I kind of have to have it. Packaging is Greenlight Artisan Series. It's usually this green box with a little bit of art. You know, it doesn't say it's for Dukes of Hazzard, but I mean, it's Hazzard County. I just don't think they want to pay the licensing, so that's kind of a way around it. Next up, another kind of fun municipal piece. This is a USPS mail truck, kind of ridiculous. The real name of this is the Grumman LLV. These have been patrolling the streets delivering your mail for decades now. They were a Chevy S10 based largely. Either had the Iron Duke 4-cylinder or later the 2.2 from the S10. You got working sliding doors on both sides. Working rear hatch. Kind of neat, honestly. The subject matter is quirky and fun, but there's something very toyish about this. The wheels have kind of a flat detail to them. The wheels do not steer. There's something just kind of Tonka toyish about it, but I mean, what can you do? The little scale fan is really neat. Kind of a fun piece. I got a kick out of it. I've wanted it for a long time. Again, retail's like $80, $90. This is on sale currently at Replicars for $39. At that price, I'm not mad at. Nice big window box, like really big chunky box. So that's kind of appreciated. Everyone, please keep an eye out. We've cracked 10,000 subscribers. I am going to do a free 1/18 scale car giveaway for 15,000. So kind of keep an eye on my subscribers. If you're the 15,000th, leave a comment and I'll make sure you get a free car. Keep an eye out for that. Next week, some more new cars. Everyone, please like and subscribe, and have a good one.